Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drugstore mascaras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Black Mascara. The Cabaret Premier Mascara by Vivienne Sabó is the ideal, everyday solution for a flawless, defined look that will charm everyone around you. The company uses high-quality materials to create top-performing products that will satisfy all of your beauty needs. With only one coat, you will receive striking eyelashes that have both volume and length but feel light and natural at the same time. If you want a truly magnifique look, you can apply a few more layers to get some additional thickness. With this mascara, you do not need to worry about clumping. The product is 100% smudge and transfer proof. You can safely wear it all day, as it is completely flake-free. Whether you are going for a no makeup look or want something more dramatic and rich, this mascara will do it all. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Rimmel Lash Accelerator Mascara. Rimmel Lash Accelerator Mascara is a complex, 2-in-1 product that can create a beautiful look and nourish your lashes all at the same time. Its original sophisticated formula is set to make your eyelashes long, beautiful, and strong. The exclusive brush covers every single lash for ideal coating without clumps. With a few swift motions, you get a natural but striking look that will last the whole day. This unique, long-lasting mascara has extraordinary lengthening properties that appear instantly after the application. It can make your lashes 80% longer in just a few minutes. Moreover, with regular usage, you can improve the overall state of your eyelashes. In only 30 days, they will become up to 117% longer than before. At number 3, we have the L'Oréal Paris Original Voluminous Mascara. L'Oréal Paris has created yet another masterpiece for your perfect eye makeup. This high-quality voluminous mascara has an effective formula that is able to make your lashes up to 5 times thicker and fuller. At the same time, the product contains ingredients that prevent the formation of clumps and flakes. The mascara gently coats and defines every lash, making your eyes bold but still natural looking. With just one application, you receive the desired amount of fullness and volume that lasts the whole day without smudges. Thanks to panthenol and ceramide R in its contents, the mascara makes your eyelashes softer, conditions and protects them from negative exposure. The product is fragrance-free and convenient to use. The bristle brush makes the mascara easy to apply evenly, and the lightweight formula makes it effortless to remove. It is also suitable for people who wear contact lenses and have sensitive eyes, as it has been allergy tested and approved by ophthalmologists. At number 2, we have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Washable Mascara. When in need of a truly spectacular result, use Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara and enjoy your perfect eye makeup that lasts so long you will not want to remove it in the evening. The original shape of the brush, with 10 layers of bristles, creates a stunning full fan look. The brush effectively covers every eyelash, no matter how small or thin it is. It works from the root to the very tip, coating the whole hair evenly and smoothly. For best results, first use the inner curve of the brush to cover the roots, and then sweep the wand to the tips of your lashes. The mascara works on both length and volume, ensuring the best possible effect on any type of lashes, long or short, curved or straight, thick or thin, smooth or unruly. Thanks to its liquid ink formula, the product can be used for building your lashes with multiple layers. Just keep applying the mascara until you reach the desired look. Even with continuous usage, the mascara does not clump. And finally, at number 1, we have the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. With this high-quality mascara by Essence, You will not need false lashes, as your own will look just the same if not better. The original fiber brush has a conic shape, which ensures maximum length and volume without clumps or globs. Your lashes will be perfectly separated and defined, which is ideal for a dramatic and sophisticated look. This mascara will serve you all day without fading or flaking. It will not transfer on your skin or clothes, so you can safely wear it every day, no matter how busy or active it is. The product is completely cruelty-free, as the company is proudly committed to protecting animals and the environment. Moreover, the mascara is gluten-free as well, which makes it suitable for anyone without exceptions. The item has been tested by leading ophthalmologists, which makes it acceptable for users with sensitive eyes and skin, as well as people who wear contacts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.